Right. Good morning, all of you. Now today we are going to learn a new lesson, rounding off. Rounding off. Rounding off. Right. New thing for you. Right. Rounding off. Then have you heard this word? Rounding off. Then sometime we have to learn this lesson to round off nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000. In upper grades you have learned how to round off nearest 10. Today we are learning how to round off nearest 100 and nearest 1000. Right. Now firstly let's learn to convert into nearest 10. 25, if not 21. Look at this. Round off to nearest 10. Round off to nearest 10. Nearest 10. Round off to nearest 10. Right. Now you can see 24. Nearest 10 now multiplies of 10. When multiplies of 10, the first multiplier is 10, 20, third one 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. These are multiplies of 10. No? These are multiplies of 10. Now 21 is between, you can see 20 and 30. No? Now I can illustrate on number line. This 20, this is 30. Now 21 is between 20 and 30. Now 21 is here, when you here, right, this is 21, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now 21 is here, no? 21 is here. Now what is the nearest? 21 is nearest, close to 20 or 30. Now 21 is very close to 20, no? 21 is very close to 21. Therefore, 21, when we round off to nearest 10, the answer is 20. The answer is 20. Understand? Nearest 10. Nearest 10. Right. Okay. Another one. 139. Round off to nearest 10. 139 round off to nearest 10. Right. Now tell me, 139 is between 130 and 140. 139 is between 130 and 140. Right. Then here 139, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Here 139 is here. Now tell me, 139 is, what is the nearest to 130 or 140? 139 is nearest to 140. No, it is very close to 142. Therefore, 139 to round off nearest 10, answer is 140. Understand? 140. Right. Okay. Another one. Another one. 1745. When round off to nearest 10. To round off to nearest 10. Right. Then tell me, 1745 is between 1740 and 1750. It is between 1740 and 1750. Right. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. 1745 is here. Now what is the nearest number? 1740 or 1750? Same distance. Therefore, when like this, when 5 are there, we take this 1750, the biggest number. Then 1745, when rounding off the nearest 10, answer is 1750. 50. Here right hand side number 1750. Right. Then you should know something. Right. I think you will understand this. You know something. When 4, 3, 2, 1 are there, it is close to left hand side 9 number. But 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are there, it is close to right hand side number. Right? Understand? Right. Then I think you will understand this. Right. Now look at this. Now when 36, 49, 158, 625 are there, when rounding of the nearest 10, what's the answer? When 36 are there, 36 is between 30 and 40, answer is 40. When 49 are there, 49 is between 40 and 50, nearest to 50. 150 is 58 is nearer to 150 and 160 nearest to 160. 625 is between 620 and 630 nearest to 630. Now you can see one thing. All unit places are there 0. When rounding off to nearest 10, all unit places are 0. No? All unit places are 0. You know unit place. When this is the unit place, this is the unit place, this is 10th place, no? This is 10th place, this is unit place, last one is unit place. Right, unit place is 0, all 1. But here, other one, 10th and 100th place, some one are changed, some one are not changed. Right, okay, then look at this. When you want to write this, now you should careful this. Now nearest 10, we are going to learn nearest 10. When unit place, the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. When 1, 2, 3, 4 are there, not add 10th place. 10th place. But unit place 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are there. Add 1 to 10th place. Right? Here. Then unit place. Now look at this. The unit place is 6. When unit place is 6, put the 0 and add 1 to 10th place. Add 1 to 10th place. Now 3 is no. Then 6. 6 is above 5. 6 is above 5. Then add 1 to 10th place. Here 10th place is here. Add 1. 3 plus 1, 4. Then 40. Then 49. The unit place is 9. Then add 0. Put the 0. Then 9 is there no. Above 5. 9. Then add 1 for 10th place. Then 4 plus 1, 5. 50. Again 158. The last is 8. 0. Then 8 0 above 5. Then 15. No. The earlier one is 15. 15 plus 1, 16. If not 5 plus 1, 16. Then 625. Add 0. Then 5 is there. 5 means above 5. Then 62. Add 163. Another one. 731. Now here 1 is there. 0. Right? Then 7 is below. The 1 is below. 1 is unit place is 1. 1 is below 5. When below 5, not add 10th place, then 73, same 73. I think you will understand this. Right, another one. Then 693, then 0, then this is below 5, then 69. then 728, add 0, then above 5, 72, add plus 73. Understand? I think you can understand, you can get the answer directly. Using unit place, using unit place. Understand? Using last digit, if not unit place. Right, okay. This is how we nearest to 10. Right, this is how we nearest to 10. Okay, can you complete this at home? Can you complete this at home? Right, do this exercise. Do this exercise at home. Round off to nearest 10. Nearest 10. 33, 59, 85, 247, 306, 1540, 1895, 3008, 243,532, 997,287. Now round off these numbers to nearest 10. Nearest 10. Right. Then round off to nearest 100. Round off to nearest 100. Nearest 100. Then nearest 100. Then you should know this. Here 100. The half of 100 is 50. The half of 100 is 50. Then round off 265 to nearest 100. 265. 265 nearest 100. Right. Nearest 100 means multiply round off to nearest 100. Now multiplies of 100. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. No? Right. Now 265 is between 200 and 300. Right. Here middle one is 250. Now 265 is like this. Now it is nearest to 300. Now 265 is nearest to 300. Nearest to 300. Right? You can see 300. Right? Nearest to 300. Then another one. 1550. 1550 round off to nearest 100. Now 1550 is between 1500 and 1600. The middle one is 1550. 1550 is there. When round off the nearest 100, the right hand side number 1300. 50, 1600. The answer is 1600. Right? I told you earlier. Right? There's a short method. There's a short method to get the answer. Look at this. To round off the nearest 100. I told you the half of the 100 is 50. When the numbers more than 50 or equal, here the numbers more than 50 or more than 50, add 1. Right. Below 50. X is below 50. Not add. add, not add. Right, look at this. Right, then 256. 256. When round off the nearest 100, 56, no, the middle of the 100 is 50. The last two digits, now you should take last two digit. 56, no, now 56 is above 50. 56 is above 50. Above 50, add double zero. For 56, add double zero. Now add 1 for this. Then 2 is there. 2 plus 1, 3. Then 300. Right, another one. 1569. The last digit is 69. No, 69 is above 50. When above 50, add double zero. When above 50, now front number is 15. Add 115 plus 116. 1600. Then 9250. The last two one is 50. Then add double zero. Because the nearest 10, no, 2 zeros are there. Then 2 zeros. Then 50. 50 or above. Then 92. When add 92 for plus 93. Understand? 3631. The last two digits is 31. 31 is below 50. When below 50, add double zero and not add 36. Same 36. Understand? This is short method. This is short method. Another one. Right. Tell me the answer. 5225. 3978. 5008. Right. Then tell me. Then 25. Last one is 25. Double zero. Then not add. 52. Then add double zero. Then 78 is above 50. 39 plus 1, 40. Then add double zero. 8 below 50. Then 50. Understand? Right. Okay. Then do this exercise also. Round off to nearest 100. First 278, B 56, C 2059, D 5060, E 17225, F 9090, G 10,001, 50,351. Right, do this at home. Do this at home. Right. Okay. Then let's learn round off to nearest 1000. Nearest 1000. Nearest 1000. You should know the half of the 1000 is 500. Half of the 1000 is 500. Then 1625 round off the nearest 1000. Then nearest 1000 means the multiplies of 1000. 1000 first multiplies of 1000 is 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, like this. Right? 5000. Right. Then 1625 is between 1000 and 2000. Between 1000 and 2000. Between 1000 and 2000. Then 1000, the middle one is 1500. Then 1625 is here. Right? It is very close to 2000. 1625 is very close to 2000. Very close to 2000. Then there are 3 zeros. There are 3 zeros. Right. Okay. I think you will understand this. Now there are short method. When the numbers 510, above 500 add 1, but below 500 not add. Short one, huh? Then 1628. Then here last three digit is 628. Now add 000. Now this is above 50. No, 628 is above 500. So not 50, about 500. Above 500 add 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Then 2000. Then 25,273. Then last three digits 273 add 000. Then 273 is below 500. Below 500. Below 500 not add 25. Right? Then 70,500. Then last three digit is 500 add 000. Then 500. When 500 are there add 1. 70 plus 1 71. Understand? I think you will understand this, right? Okay, now do this exercise. Do this exercise. Right, do this exercise. Round off to nearest 1000. 1927, 200, 2433, 19,999, 45,874, 38,000, 90,500, 72,324, 7,550. Right, do this at home, huh? Right, finish. Now new topic, rounding off to decimal values. Rounding off to decimal values. Decimal values. Now I told you earlier, then 2.4132 are there. We call after this is the first decimal place. This is the first decimal place. This is the second decimal place. This is the third decimal place. This is the fourth decimal place. This is the whole number. If not unit place, this is the whole number. Right? Here this is the whole number. After decimal, the right hand side, first one, first decimal place, first decimal value, second decimal place, third decimal place, fourth decimal place. Understand? Now they ask round off to nearest first decimal place. First decimal place. Round off to nearest first decimal place. First decimal place. First decimal place. First decimal place. Where first decimal place? First decimal place is 4. Now, when first decimal place, you should check. You should find where second decimal place, not one. Second decimal place. Now let's check the second decimal place. When you check the second, not first decimal place, your right hand side, second decimal places are there. Nearest one is second decimal place. No. Second decimal place is not 5. No. 1 is below. Now 1 is there. Now 1 is here. Look, 1 is below 5. No. 1 is below 5. 1 is below 5. When 1 is, now here, when 1 is below 5, look at this. When 1 is below 5, not add to this front, not add to this, then 2.4, and don't write anything. 2.4, because 1 is below 5. When below 5, not add to front number 4, then 2.4. Right. Another one, B, round off to nearest second decimal place. Nearest second decimal place. Right. Now when second decimal place is 1. Now second decimal place is 1. Now you should find third decimal place nearest. Right hand side, third nearest decimal place. Now third one is 3. Third decimal place is 3. 3 also below 5. 3 also below 5. If below 5, not add anything for front. Not add anything for front. Then 1 also. Same. Then 2.41. 2.41. 2.41. Another one. Round off to nearest third decimal value. Third decimal. Right. Third decimal. Where third? Now third decimal is 3. Now third decimal is now 3. No, third decimal is 3. Now you should check fourth decimal one. Now imagine this is fourth decimal is 7. Fourth decimal is 7. Now you can see 7 is above 5. When above 5, add 1 for front. Add 1. Then 3 plus 1, 4. Then the answer is 2.14. So add 1 here, add 4. 2.414. 214. Right? Understand? Right. Another. Round off to nearest whole number. Nearest whole number. Whole number. Round off to nearest whole number. Whole number is here 2. Now you should check nearest one is first decimal one. Now first one, right hand side first 4. Now 4 is below 5. 4 is below 5. If below 5, not add to front. Then 2 is same. 2. Not add. Right? I think you will understand this. Okay. Another one. Let's write another example. 17.2569. First one, round off to whole number. Second one, B, round off to nearest first decimal value. C, round off to nearest third decimal value. Right. Now round off to whole number. Whole number is 17. Whole number is 17. Now here whole number is 17. No? After whole number, first decimal place. Look at the first decimal place is below 5. If below 5, not add to whole number 17. The answer is 17. Round off to nearest first decimal place. Now first decimal place is 2. Then check the second decimal place. Second decimal place is 5. 5 is above 5. No, 5 or above 5. When 5 or above 5, add 1. Then 2 plus 1, 3. 17.3. To nearest the third decimal place. Third decimal place is 6, but you should check fourth one. Fourth one is 9. 9 is above 5. When above 5, add 1. 6 plus 1, 7. Then 17.257. Understand? Understand? Right. Try to understand very well. Then do this exercise at home. do this exercise at home. Right, do this exercise at home. Round off to nearest first decimal, first term. 5.86, B 12.75, C 10.43, D 123.79, E 8.04, 13.99. Right? Here round off to nearest first decimal. Right. Now round off the second one. The second one, round off the second. Second decimal place. Second decimal place. Round off the second decimal place. 3.521, 17.256, 1.002, 12.523, 10.532, 9.235. Right? Then can you complete this exercise at home? Right, okay. Then let's stop the class. Now we will meet next day. Till then, goodbye all of you. I go on.